All right, so this is a quick unboxing and a brief overview of how to use this Sharpal scissors and knife sharpener. This is a nice little kitchen sharpener and it has a really good suction to it. I tried it here on the cutting board and it doesn't stick to the cutting board, but when I put it on the countertop, it's not going anywhere. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. I'm really pulling on it hard too, so I'd have to really hit it really hard for it to get knocked off. So the suction works really well on something like a flat countertop. So this has two notches for knives and one notch for scissors. The first notch for your knife will be for really dull blades, and the second is more for honing. So a blade that's not really dull, it just needs a little honing to it. That'll be for the second notch. So I'll demonstrate a few. You just pull back in the same direction with a slightly downward motion as you're pulling back. You don't need to put a lot of pressure. Then with the scissors, just find the angle. Every scissor will have a little bit different angle. Make sure you get the angle right and you just do the same thing. Very little pressure and just swipe back. Not too fast, not too slow. For this video, I just kind of had this in the middle of the countertop, but you probably want to put it more towards the edge. That way you got some more room. It's a nice, really small, little compact kitchen sharpener that you could fit in a drawer. I like it. I hope you do too, and have yourself a wonderful day.